So for years now, you guys have been asking me to start a private community where we can connect more. So now feels like the right time. I have finally launched that community. So it is called Club Raw. I'm so excited. It's a place where we can just connect so much more on a deeper level. If you guys follow me on here and on Instagram, you know I rarely go live, like maybe once or twice every couple years. So in there, we can just connect more. I feel like on this healthy lifestyle, going raw has changed my life more than anything else. And so many of you have just had such huge life transformations through real food, through fitness, through focusing on the right things, through positivity in your life. And truly, like nothing has changed my life more than eating real food, than working out every morning, than now focusing on meditating and just watching the right content and all these things come together. Focusing so much on health, especially with the food, especially as raw foodies, it can be an isolating world. I feel like it's so rare. I don't think ever in my whole life I've ever been out on the streets or at a mall or at a grocery store and met another raw vegan ever. So I think the community is just a great place where we can connect. I feel like I have a great therapist, Dr. Doug Lyle, and he tells me we're tribal creatures. I think we need that connection. And I'm just so excited because in the new group, I'm gonna go live every single week. So once a week, we're gonna do this big group live where we can mingle, talk, ask each other questions, and we can meet friends in there and have community. So I'm excited to just connect with you guys on a deeper level because I never do that sort of thing, and just share more personal stuff and help you guys on your journey and help you with staying raw, help you with staying healthy. And you don't have to necessarily be all raw or want to be all raw to be in the group. It will be raw focused, plant focused, real food focused. And we'll have an amazing person, amazing human being who I love so much, Magri Jade Jackson. So I've known her for years. She was actually, I think, one of my very first YouTube interviews ever. We're very close, and she's gonna be running a juice fasting program in there, and she's gonna be working with me in the group too. So we're gonna be doing juicing, like a 21-day juice cleanse type thing, probably once every quarter, some fruit cleanses. I'm gonna be doing giveaways in there. Anybody who knows me, I love to give back. It's one of my favorite things to do is to give. I feel like that's one of the reasons we're put here, just to give as much as we can. So I'm gonna be doing great giveaways, some namas, some different things. And I'm so connected in this community, in the wellness community. I know so many amazing people. I've become friends with so many of the amazing people you've seen on this channel and others. So I'm gonna be bringing them in for talks too. We're gonna be doing regular talks with really cool people. And there's just gonna be so much. It's gonna be such a unique group. And I'm personally gonna be so active in there engaging with you guys. So I think that's just really great. And I've been raw for almost 10 years. So I'm really disciplined. I live in a household where my family, including Knox, they're not raw and they're not vegan. And I stay on track, and I'm gonna just share with you guys every day in there my recipes and different things I'm doing and ways to stay on track and just help you live your best life, help you have that healthy life, and help you have that friendship. Like without this channel, like through this channel, I've met some of the closest people to me. And I feel like in the group, that will happen too. Like I'll probably meet some close friends. You guys will meet some close friends, maybe some love matchmaking. It's just gonna be an amazing place. And I'm gonna be dedicating so much of myself in this group and bringing in so many amazing people and connecting so much. And so I've done my best to keep the cost low to run this group and to run this program. So I've priced it around $1 a day, which is really reasonable. It's a great price compared to other groups. And there's not gonna be all these crazy upsells and things. I'm just gonna give back as much as I can within the group. We are gonna do the juice fasting program. And other than that, there's just gonna be so much amazingness, you guys. So I would love to have you in there. Would love to just personally connect. And another great idea I have for the group is I want us to go on the Zoom lives too, another day, once every month on an evening, and do like a raw vegan dinner club where we make a special dinner and we all go and hang out, share what we're eating, and just talk as if we're at a dinner. Because it's really rare in these days to be out and eating super clean with other people. Usually we feel like an outsider and the only one. So there's just so many different ideas. Like most of them I haven't even shared in this video. So my goal with this group is to give as much value as possible, give back as much value as possible. Just make it a place you absolutely love to be a part of, a really good energy, really good vibe, really good space. And again, I'm excited to share all my recipes with you. And a big thing you guys get when you join my community is you get all the ebooks I've ever written. So how to go raw, my juicing ebooks, how to juice cleanse, all my 30 raw vegan dressings, sauces, and dips, my other huge raw food recipe ebook, and my course, How to Go Raw, which is really huge. So you get all those things. Those are valued, I think, I forget, I'd have to add it up, but close to $500 for everything there, included just when you join the group for free. So my goal is to give you guys as much as possible so you feel like This is the steal of the century. This is amazing. And I do have to charge for it. I wish I could just do it free. But you guys, I left my career in real estate because I just feel like this is my purpose to do all of this. And I dedicate my whole life to this. And I do have costs with all these things. I travel so much, and my cameraman and this and editors and that. So there has to be a cost. So I hope you can understand that. And I have priced it as reasonable as I can. And my goal is to give you guys as much value as absolutely possible. So it's going to be a great space. Come join. Let's become friends. Let's get our tribe in the group. It's reasonably priced. So lock in now before the price goes up. I think it's amazing. You guys are going to love being in there. I will put the link down below, and I hope to see you there.